Arizona World War II reenactors have been attending the Buckeye Air Show for quite a few years now. Here you can meet reenactors, see their equipment, ask questions.
Guys are dead. Why not? We're supposed to lay down right. It's like Nerf football.
Hey.
As reenactors, we would love to have you join our groups. Now let us get to the unboxing.
All right. Cooking with Hans. Yes. I ordered some several months ago. Yes. What do you think this is?
Is it some sort of cooking device?
Well, it was used in the kitchen, but open it up and see for yourself.
It's from Russia.
We're head together. Alright. This took months to get. I was thinking we could have done this over at James, but James passed away. We're doing it here. Alright? Thanks. Check it out.
Oh, very nice.
How are you doing today?
Doing good. How are you?
I'm Jeff.
Hi, Jessica. I'm his fiance.
Very nice.
Alright. So you recognize it?
Yeah.
Now, what is that?
It's called a thermal flask. This is what the Germans would have used, but this one isn't from the 1940s or 1930s. It's more from the 1960s or 70s. It's a Russian.
It's very, very similar.
Yeah, but smaller. But since we're not a very big unit, this is something that we can do.
Any questions about me here? Or if you have anything you want to see a little closer, feel free to ask.
They will sit back here. Part right here, here. And these would be hooked to the bottom so that you can take them off easily.
Yeah, you would like to see it. We'll make use of it though. Jeff and I talked yesterday. We're gonna set. We're gonna wait until after today. After what? We're gonna set up another event. We're gonna go do a camp. So we'll make some use out of this.
Yeah. Well, remember, I also got metal tips.
Okay.
So how you been?
Good. Good. Thanks for bringing us out.
So,
We had some
that's
unfortunate
it with
news.
Cooking with Hans.
We anticipated bringing that
All right.
here, but
I'll have some more photos
passed,
later.
Unexpected.
The thermal flask is a piece of equipment used to transport hot food to the front lines. This flask came from Russia. The German one would have been somewhat bigger and had a place for the ladle on the lid. The straps hook in the back. As easy as they are to hook, you can easily disconnect them as well. I want to give a shout out to James Price, who recently passed away. A good friend and a good member of the unit. He was always willing to help the new guys. and to assist anybody with questions about uniforms.